Welcome to our channel Techdevil. Why are there not more people talking about the Nothing Phone 3? The hype is real. Nothing Phone 3 is here. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. The latest innovation from the tech company that's been turning heads and setting trends. The smartphone world is always buzzing with excitement. Every year we see new devices that push the envelope, bringing us closer to the future we all envision. The Nothing Phone 3 is no exception. Every year, new phones push the boundaries of what's possible. From foldable screens to AI-driven features, the evolution of smartphone designs has been nothing short of extraordinary. The Nothing Phone 3 continues this tradition with its groundbreaking features. Nothing, the tech company known for its unique approach, is back with a bang. Founded by Carl Pei, Nothing has always aimed to disrupt the market with its minimalist yet highly functional designs. Their mission is to remove barriers between people and technology, and the Nothing Phone 3 is a testament to that vision. The Nothing Phone 3 is here, and it's making waves. The unveiling event was a spectacle, with tech enthusiasts and industry experts alike marveling at the new features and sleek design. The anticipation was palpable, and the reactions have been overwhelmingly positive. Let's dive in and see what it's all about. The Nothing Phone 3 boasts a range of impressive features that set it apart from its predecessors and competitors. From its intuitive interface to its robust build quality, this phone is designed to impress. Nothing has a reputation for doing things differently. Their team of innovative thinkers and designers are always looking for ways to challenge the status quo. This approach has led to some of the most exciting developments in the tech world. The phone, too, surprised us with its innovative Glyph interface. This feature was a game changer, offering a new way to interact with our devices. It was a bold move that paid off, and now, the Nothing Phone 3 builds on that success. Now the Phone 3 takes it up a notch. With enhancements across the board, this new model promises to deliver an even better user experience. From faster processing speeds to improved battery life, the Nothing Phone 3 is designed to meet the demands of modern users. With a powerful processor and an upgraded camera system, this phone is packed with potential. The new chipset ensures smooth performance, whether you're multitasking or playing graphics-intensive games. And the camera? It's a photographer's dream, with advanced features that make capturing stunning photos and videos easier than ever. We're going to break down all the key features, including details on performance, camera capabilities, and design. We'll look at how the Nothing Phone 3 handles everyday tasks, as well as more demanding applications. And we'll see how its camera stacks up against other leading smartphones. We'll also compare it to its predecessor and see how it stacks up against the competition. So, buckle up. The Nothing Phone 3 has some big shoes to fill, but early indications suggest it's more than up to the task. We're about to explore the Nothing Phone 3. From its sleek design to its cutting-edge technology, there's a lot to cover. We'll hear from tech enthusiasts and experts who have had a chance to get hands-on with the device. Get ready for a deep dive into the world of cutting-edge tech and innovative design. Let's go! The Nothing Phone 3 is not just a phone, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. Stay tuned as we uncover all the details and see what makes this device truly special. Let's talk power. The Nothing Phone 3 boasts the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. This means blazing fast speeds and smooth multitasking. Whether you're gaming or switching between apps, this phone can handle it. We're looking at a significant performance jump from the previous generation. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is a powerhouse. It delivers incredible performance while being energy efficient. This means you can push the phone to its limits without draining the battery too quickly. Though RAM options haven't been officially announced yet, expect at least 8 GB or even 12 GB for smooth performance. Storage options will likely start at 128 GB. This phone is built for speed and efficiency. It's designed to keep up with your demanding lifestyle. The camera is a crucial part of any smartphone experience. The Nothing Phone 3 doesn't disappoint. It features a triple camera system on the rear, with a 50MP primary sensor. Early reports suggest improvements in image processing and low-light performance. We're eager to test it out and see the results firsthand. The front-facing camera also gets an upgrade, with a 16MP sensor for stunning selfies. Nothing has always emphasized a clean and natural approach to photography. The Phone 3 builds on this philosophy with enhanced software features. Expect new shooting modes and improved image stabilization. Battery life is a major concern for smartphone users. The Nothing Phone 3 packs a 4700 mAh battery. This should easily get you through a full day of use. Fast charging is also a key feature. The phone 3 supports 65W wired charging. This means you can juice up your phone quickly and get back to what you were doing. Wireless charging is also available, with support for 15W speeds. Nothing understands the importance of convenience. The phone 3 offers various charging options to suit your needs. Section 5. Design more than meets the eye. The Nothing Phone 2 turned heads with its unique transparent back and Glyph interface. The phone 3 evolves this design language. Expect a premium look and feel. The Glyph interface, a series of LED lights on the back, is back and even more functional. It now offers more customization options and can be used for notifications, charging indicators, and more. The phone 3 retains the transparent back, giving you a glimpse of the phone's internals. It's a design choice that sets Nothing phones apart. Expect premium materials and a comfortable in-hand feel. The Nothing Phone 3 runs Nothing OS, a near-stock version of Android with a few unique tweaks. The Glyph interface is the star of the software show. This innovative interface uses LED lights on the back of the phone to display notifications, charging status, and more. You can customize the light patterns for different contacts and apps. Nothing OS on the Phone 3 is all about speed, smoothness, and a clean user experience. Expect timely software updates and a bloatware-free experience. The Nothing Phone 3 brings significant upgrades over its predecessor. The processor is faster, the camera system is more advanced, and the Glyph interface is more functional. The Phone 3 also boasts a slightly larger battery and faster charging speeds. The design language is refined, with a focus on premium materials and a comfortable grip. However, the core design philosophy remains the same. The Phone 3 retains the transparent back and the iconic Glyph interface. It's a clear evolution of the Nothing Phone 2. The smartphone market is fiercely competitive. The Nothing Phone 3 faces tough competition from established players like Samsung and Apple. However, Nothing has a unique advantage: its distinct design language and innovative features like the Glyph interface. The Phone 3 needs to deliver on its promises of performance, camera quality, and software experience to stand out. The Phone 3 is targeting a specific audience: tech enthusiasts who are looking for something different. It's a phone that makes a statement. The Nothing Phone 3 is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the smartphone market. It combines powerful specs with a unique design and innovative features. If you're tired of the same old smartphone designs and want something truly different, the Phone 3 is worth considering. It's a phone that stands out from the crowd. Keep an eye out for our full review, where we'll dive deeper into all aspects of the Nothing Phone 3. We'll test its camera, performance, battery life, and more to give you our final verdict. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and the latest tech updates.